High-quality bandsaws perform a versatile range of precision woodwork significantly better than other machines in the shop. Take my 17 years of experience in woodworking for it. Bandsaws make fast, safe, straight cuts. They're designed for resawing thick boards with precision. They can cut perfect circles, square edges, mortise and tenon and dovetails. I'm not going to say that I would want to use every bandsaw on this list, but having worked in dozens of shops, I've used them all. So which one fits your needs, space, and budget? There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best bandsaws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bandsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Jet JWB-10 10-inch bandsaw with stand. The Jet JWB-10 10-inch bandsaw with stand is a reasonably powerful and versatile tool for a small machine. This bandsaw features a powerful 0.5 horsepower motor that can handle tough cuts, making it ideal for ripping and cross-cutting large pieces of wood. The 10-inch blade capacity allows for working with larger pieces of wood, while the cast iron table provides a stable and durable surface for cutting. The stand that comes with the bandsaw is heavy-duty, allowing for a solid and stable base to work with. The JWB-10 also includes a quick-release blade tension lever and a blade tracking adjustment. This makes for easy adjustments and blade replacement. The fence is nothing special, but it's better than most small bandsaws. This tool is great for beginning woodworkers or hobbyists. Next on our list is the Powermatic PM1515 bandsaw, 1,791,500. If you like a superb 15 bandsaw, the Powermatic's PM1515 is the way to go. And like any Powermatic-made product, everyone will say, you get what you pay for. This has a very powerful HP motor and is able to cut what it needs at top-level precision. Its T-square style Aku fence provides an extra level of safety and accuracy. And like its big 20 brother, Powermatic's PM1515 blade tension with electrical interlock is a great addition for safety. Few extra well-thought-out details are the fence, which is smooth, sturdy, and tall, perfect for resawing. Also, the protective guard has a measuring gauge, adding an extra layer of precision and protection. Coming in at number 3 is the Powermatic 20-inch bandsaw, 5 HP, 1 pH 230 volts. Okay, we've now entered dream machine territory. You might say that this is super expensive, and you're right. At almost $6,000, the Powermatic 20-inch bandsaw 5 HP 1 pH 230V is a luxury good. But there's a reason why Powermatic is so expensive. They have the most powerful motors and pay more attention to quality details like metal fences, clearance plates, bearings, and guards. Cutting with this machine is fun. It weighs a hefty 959 pounds. This bandsaw is rated at 5 horsepower and cuts through wood like butter. It cuts so smoothly that hardwood doesn't even feel like hard. I love that it is equipped with a tool-less adjustment system. It lessens the time to do what you need to do, cut. I also like the blade tension with electrical interlock release that prevents the bandsaw from starting when detensioned. For large projects that need power, the larger resaw with precise cuts, this is your perfect workhorse. At number 4, we have the Rikon 10-30-60-110 Deluxe Bandsaw. The Rikon 10-inch is not as good quality but is more budget-friendly. I find that this bandsaw has the best price for those who want something more affordable. The motors are average, but they will do the job. Not much finesse here. Rikon is not remarkable, but it is a reliable brand. That's why part of this list is the Rikon 10-30-60-110 Deluxe Bandsaw, which I would say is a much better machine. The main difference from the other 10-inch Rikon is that the Deluxe has faster speed and a better quality fence. Last, number 5, Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw 14. For the woodworker on a budget, this is a good 14-inch bandsaw. The Grizzly is equipped with all the basic features you will need in a bandsaw. It's an industrial-grade bandsaw, thus the price. The saw cuts nicely with well-made guides that keep the blade straight and a decent amount of power. The 14-inch bandsaw has a large cutting area to help you handle bigger jobs. The Grizzly G0555 has a 6-inch maximum cutting height, good if you'll be handling thicker pieces of lumber. Its frame is made well, so expect it to be a stable base while cutting. However, the fence is not the best, but I guess that's acceptable for this price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.